fish. Fish. First cast. Oh man. Oh yeah. Just got this little toad. First cast. That's a good sign. Look at that. First cast. Chunky monkey. Look at this thing. Oh man, that's nice. That's a nice fish. My lord. Just catching left and right here. Alright guys, so we're out here. We're doing really well. This one's a fatty. He's a little guy. He's a fatty though. He's got some weight to him. Not very much, but you know, he's a lot heavier than he looks. But you know. Gorgeous fish here. Really pretty fish. Good, solid fish, but this must be one of the other bass. This is not normal here.